Hello kids, let's learn shapes and color. If you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe. Let's start the video. Let us do one activity. We have 4 color of bowl. It is red color, purple color, light green color and yellow color. We have 4 bowls and inside these bowls there is some secret. Let us find out what is inside it. This is first we will take red colored bowl. Let us take out what is inside it. Yes, there are 2 secrets. This is square. It is a square. It is a square. Another one is triangle. It has 3 sides. This has 4 sides. It is square. It is a triangle. We have 2 shapes. Let us put here and find out what is inside another bowl. Let us do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We will take this one. What is inside it? It is hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 sides. This is a hexagon. This is a hexagon. We put it here. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We will find out what is inside the yellow bowl. What is inside it? There are 2 shapes. This is 2D shape. This is also 2D shape. Let us count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a pentagon. This is pentagon. And this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is a octagon. This is octagon. This is octagon. And this one is pentagon. Octagon, pentagon. Now we will put it here. Now let us find out what is inside this green bowl. Now this is circle. Circle has no sides. It is 2D shape. It is 2D shape. It is 2D shape. Let us put it here. Circle, octagon, pentagon, square, triangle. Last one is hexagon. We have 6 different shapes. These are 2D shapes. These are 2D shapes. These are 2D shapes. Now let us draw the 2D shapes. This is black color. Cube. Cross. Rhombus or diamond. This is smiley. Triangle. Rounded rectangle. Let's color these shapes and symbols. This is sky blue color. This is cube. It is 3D shape having 6 faces. Violet color. Cross or addition symbol. This is blue color. This is rhombus, also called diamond. It has 4 sides. Pink color. Smiley. Olive green. This is triangle. It has 3 sides. Orange color. It is rounded rectangle or rounded corner rectangle. This is cube, cross, rhombus, smiley, triangle, rounded rectangle. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.